Well, it sure is handy to have reference videos. Looks like my preamp didn't work. The RF preamp in here was not working, so I replaced the transistors, and in doing that, I wrecked one of the traces. Anyway, I had that trace in the wrong place twice. So if I didn't burn anything out, it's great to have reference videos. I checked those out before and found that this trace from the transistor goes actually to here. There was a trace there. I actually had this thing wired over to here and then over to here, and it's like, no, it goes straight across to here. So that, hopefully I didn't burn anything out and the preamp will work, but we'll see. I also suspected the relays were wrongly wired, but they're fine. So that wiring error might have stopped the amplifier from working. I don't know. I'm going to put the radio back together, give it one last try. It's been pretty tedious working on this thing down inside there. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, this is for the RF amplifier that is engaged with this RF amp button that says RF amp. Put it in. It's supposed to work. This will, I think RL01 and RL03 are always engaged. When you hit that, the RF amp power goes away and the relays will disengage and it'll work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.